If you're in your 20s right now, stop what you're doing and watch this video, because I'm about to show you 5 money mistakes that are literally stealing thousands of dollars from your future. And the scary part, most people have no idea they're even making these mistakes. So stay till the end, because mistake number 5 is the one that hurts the most. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about helping you build real wealth, avoid financial mistakes, and actually take control of your money. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss our weekly money tips. All right, let's get straight into it. Here are the 5 biggest money mistakes Americans make in their 20s. Mistake number 1, and this one is huge, not having an emergency fund. Here's what happens to most people in their 20s. They're making money, spending money, maybe saving a little, and then bam! Car breaks down, medical bill shows up, they lose their job, and suddenly they're putting $2,000 on a credit card at 24% interest. That one emergency just set them back 6 months financially. The fix? Start building an emergency fund of at least $1,000 first, then work your way up to 3 to 6 months of expenses. Even saving just $50 a week gets you to $1,000 in 5 months. That's it. Small steps. Mistake number 2, ignoring their credit score. A lot of people in their 20s think credit scores don't matter yet. Big mistake. Your credit score affects your apartment rent, your car loan, your mortgage, even some job applications. A bad credit score can cost you thousands of extra dollars in interest over your lifetime. The good news? Building credit is actually simple. Step 1, get a beginner credit card like Discover It or Capital One Platinum. Step 2, use it only for small purchases like groceries or gas. Step 3, pay the full balance every single month. Do this for 12 months and your score will jump significantly. That's the cheat code. Mistake number 3, lifestyle inflation. This one is sneaky. You get a raise at work, amazing. But then you get a nicer apartment, a new car, start eating out more, and somehow you're still broke at the end of the month. This is called lifestyle inflation. Your income goes up, but so does your spending. The wealthy people I've studied, they do the opposite. When income goes up, they keep expenses the same and invest the difference. Next time you get a raise, challenge yourself. Keep your lifestyle exactly the same for 6 months and invest that extra money instead. Future you will thank you. Mistake number 4, not investing early. I know investing sounds scary when you're young, but here's the truth. Time in the market is your biggest advantage in your 20s, more than income, more than anything. Let me give you a real example. If you invest just $200 a month starting at age 22, by age 62 you'll have over $500,000. That's at an average 8% return. But if you wait until 32 to start, that same $200 a month only grows to around $240,000. Waiting just 10 years costs you $260,000. The best place to start? Open a Roth IRA. You can start with as little as $10. Apps like Fidelity or Charles Schwab make it super easy. And mistake number 5, the one that hurts the most, having no budget and living paycheck to paycheck. Did you know that almost 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? Even people making 6 figures. The problem isn't always income, it's having no plan for your money. Here's the simplest budget system you can start today. It's called the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, food, bills. 30% goes to wants, dining out, entertainment, subscriptions. 20% goes to savings and investing. That's it. No complicated spreadsheets, just 3 buckets. Even if you start with just the 20% savings part, you're already ahead of most Americans. So, there you have it, the 5 money mistakes that are keeping most Americans broke in their 20s. Let's do a quick recap. Number 1, no emergency fund. Number 2, ignoring credit score. Number 3, lifestyle inflation. Number 4, not investing early. Number 5, no budget. Now, here's my challenge for you. Pick one of these mistakes that you're currently making, just one, and fix it this week. That one decision could literally change your financial future. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe for weekly money tips that actually work. And comment below, which mistake were you making? I read every comment. See you in the next one. Peace.